Everyone. Hope you all are fine. Students, today is Wednesday, 23rd December 2020, and today our topic is time. We will do question number 11 of page number 173. So let's start. Open your books, page number 173. Okay, students, first of all, you will see that 1 hour is equals 60 minutes. So 4 hour, we will multiply 4 by 60 minutes. And then we will add 20 minutes in the sum of 4 multiply 60. So let's start. Okay, students, so first of all, we will write the digit 4 and then hour. As I told you that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so we will multiply 4 by 60 and 60 minutes, and then plus we will put a symbol of plus addition, and then 20 minutes. And students, now we will multiply both of these numbers. 4 zeros are zeros and 4 6 are, so we will multiply it in our working column. Okay, students, here I multiply 60 by 4. 4 zeros are 0 and 4 6 are 24. So 240 minutes. So I write it here 240 minutes plus 20 minutes are left. So we will add now 200. This is 240 minutes is the sum of 4 multiply 60 minutes. And now we will write plus 20 minutes. Okay, students, now you can see that I write 240 plus 20 minutes, and now I add it 0, 4 and 2, 6, 2 will come as it is. So the answer is 260 minutes. So we get the answer when we add these numbers. We get the answer is 260 minutes. Part B is 7 hour and 15 minutes. So let's try to solve it. 7 hour means 7 multiply 60 plus, then we will add 15 minutes in the answer of 7 multiply 60. Okay, students, I write 7. Then in 1 hour, as you know that there are 60 minutes. So each 60 minutes. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So I write 60 here, 60 minutes plus same number 15 minutes. Okay, so now we will multiply both of these numbers and we will write the answer here, and then in this answer we will add 15 minutes. Okay, students, now you can see that I multiply 60 by 7. 7 zeros are 0 and 7 6 are 42. So we have 420 minutes. So we get the answer of 7 multiply 60. Then we will add 15 minutes in this answer. So let's add it, 420 minutes, and then we will add 15 minutes. Students, now we add both of these numbers, 420 minutes plus 15 minutes. 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 2 and 1, 3, and 4 will come as it is. So we get the answer 435 minutes. Okay, this is our answer. Part C is 3 hour and 20 minutes. So again we will write the digit 3, and as you know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we will multiply 3 by 60 minutes plus this number 20 minutes. Now we will multiply both of these numbers. So I write it in working column. 60 multiply 3. 3 zeros are 0 and 3 6 are 18. So our answer of 3 multiply 60 is 180 minutes plus 20 minutes. Okay, students, now I write both of these numbers here, 180 minutes plus 20 minutes. So now we'll add it, 0, 8 and 2, 10. So 0 will move here and 1 will move on the next number. 1 and 1, 2. So we get the answer 200 minutes. Okay, students, the next question is 12 hour and 20 minutes. So first of all, what we will do, we will write 12 as it is, and in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we will multiply 12 by 60. Okay students, so I write the number here 12 multiply 60 because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 12 multiplies 60 minutes plus we will add this number 20 minutes. Students, as you know that both of these are greater numbers, and if you feel difficulty in multiplication, in longer multiplication, so you can, as I told you in my previous lectures also, that when you multiply any digit with a number which has 0, okay, which has 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, okay, so you will move the 0 in the answer, and there are now 12 multiply 6. So we will multiply 12 by 6. So students, we will multiply 6 2s are 12. 2 will we write the digit in the answer, and 1 we will carry on the next number. So 6 times 1 is 6 and 1 7. So 72. As you know that we already write the 0 in the answer. This 0, we move the 0 here, and the remaining numbers 12 multiply 6. We multiply both of these numbers and get the answer 72. So 720 minutes plus the remaining number is 20 minutes. So now we will add these numbers. Now we add these numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 7 will come as it is, 740 minutes. So this is our answer. So students, our answer is 740 minutes. Okay students, next question is 2 hours and 5 minutes. So 2 will come as it is, and in 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. So we will multiply 2 by 60 minutes, and the remaining number is 5 minutes. So we will add 5 minutes. Okay, first of all we will solve both of these, and then we will add plus 5 minutes. So students, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 6 are 12. So how many minutes? 120 minutes. When we multiply both of these numbers, we get the answer 120 minutes. And now we will add in 120 minutes 5 minutes. Okay students, now I add these numbers. 120 plus 5 minutes, 0 plus 5, 5, 2 will come as it is, and 1 will also come as it is. So our answer is 125 minutes. Move to the next question. 14 hours and 35 minutes. So 14 multiplies 60 plus 35 minutes. Okay students, I arrange the numbers. 14 multiply hour, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, so 60 minutes, okay, and plus 35 minutes. So we will multiply both of these numbers. As you know that 14 multiplies 60, it will be a long multiplication. So how easily you can multiply these numbers? As I told you in the previous question, that we will move the 0 in the answer, and the remaining numbers 14 and 6 we will multiply both of these numbers. Okay students, 6 4s are 24, 4 and 2 carry over 1. 6 times 1 is 6 and 2 plus 8. 6 and 2 8, 84. So as you can see here, you can move the 0 in the answer as it is, okay, and now there are only two numbers. 14 multiplies 6, so I multiply both of these numbers here, 84. So I will write 84 here, so it will become 840 minutes. Now we will add both of these numbers. 5 0 plus 5 5, 4 and 3 7, and 8 will come as it is, 875 minutes. Okay students, now how you will do this work on your math notebooks. So take out your math notebooks and write CW Tuesday, CW Wednesday 23rd December 2020, and skip one line and write the topic time, question number 11, and plus word problem. After question number 11 we will do 2 word problems. Okay, so find out how many minutes in 4 hour 20 minutes, as we have already done, as I explained you this question. So you will write each digit in separate boxes. Okay, 4 multiply 6 and 0 in separate boxes. Okay, and then plus 20 minutes. So student, do your work in very neat writing, and then you will multiply both of these numbers and 240 minutes. First of all we will okay beta, in B part also you will also write 7 multiply R 60. You will write the separate digits 60 and minute plus 15 minutes, 1 in separate box and 5 in separate boxes. So then multiply both of these and then add 15 minutes, and then in the end add both of these numbers and you get the answer. Okay, so students, do practice of part A to F of question number 11. Students, now open your maths countdown book, page number 173, and there are 2 words problems that are included in this exercise 6A. So look at the first one. Yusuf batted for 4 hours 45 minutes, as we have done in question number 11. Okay, as I explained you in question number 11. These questions are also same. We will solve these questions in this method. Okay, so in a match, how many minutes did he bat for? So let's start to solve it. So students, Yusuf batted in a match 4 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, so as you know that 1 hour is equals 60 minutes. So total minute he batted, we have to find total minutes he batted. Okay, so first of all we will write 4 hours 45 minutes, and as 4 multiply 60, because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so 4 multiply 60. So students, first of all we will write the 4 hours 45 minutes, and then we will multiply 4 by 60. 4 multiply 60 minutes plus 45 minutes. Students, then we will multiply 4 by 60 and we get the answer 240 minutes plus 45 minutes. Okay, you can move the 0 as it is in the answer, and 6 4s are 24. So now we will add both of these numbers. So let's start adding. Okay students, 240 plus 45, 0 plus 5 5, 4 plus 4 8, and 2 will come as it is. So 285 minutes. So students, total minutes he batted is 285 minutes. The next word problem. Kareem watches TV for 2 hours 15 minutes on Wednesday and 3 hours 35 minutes on Thursday. Altogether, how many minutes does he watch TV on these 2 days? So students, as you know that there are 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday. On Wednesday he watches TV 2 hours and 15 minutes, and on Thursday he watches TV 3 hours and 35 minutes. So first of all we will solve this number, and then we will solve this number. Okay, and in the end we will get the answers, and in the end we will add both of these answers. Okay, and total minutes, we will get the total minutes. So let's start. Okay students, next word problem number 2. Kareem watches TV on Wednesday 2 hours 15 minutes, and Kareem watches TV on Thursday 3 hours 35 minutes. First of all we will solve this 2 hours and 15 minutes. We will convert them into minutes, and then we will solve that time that he watches TV on Thursday. So first of all we will multiply 2 by 60. Okay students, when we multiply both of these numbers, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 6 are 12. So we get the answer 120 minutes. So now we will add this 15 minutes. Okay students, you can see 60 multiplied 2, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 6 are 12, 120 minutes. Okay students, now we will add these numbers 120 minutes plus 15 minutes. Okay students, you can see here 0 plus 5 is 5, 2 and 1 3 and 135 minutes. He watches TV on Wednesday, 135 minutes. Okay students, 120 minutes plus 15 minutes. He watches TV on Wednesday on 135 minutes. Now Kareem watches TV on Thursday. Now let's try to solve it. 3 hours and 35 minutes. In the same way we will solve this. 3 multiplies 60 plus 35 minutes. Okay students, now 3 zeros are zeros and 3 6 are 18. Okay, so we got this answer. So students, 3 multiplies 60, 180 minutes plus 35 minutes. On the next line we will write 180 minutes plus 35 minutes. Students, now I write both of these numbers 180 and 35. And 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 8 and 3, 11, 1 and 1 carry, 1 and 1, 2. 215 minutes. Okay students, now I write both of these answers. One, the answer of Wednesday, the total time of Wednesday, 135 minutes, and the total time for Thursday when that he watches TV on Thursday, 135. We write 215 minutes. We will add both of these numbers. 135 minutes on he watches TV on Wednesday, and on Thursday he watches TV 215 minutes. And now this is the total minutes for both days. So students, I write both of these times 135 and 215 minutes. Okay, on Wednesday he watches TV 135 minutes, and on Thursday he watches TV 215 minutes. So 5 and 5 10, 0 will come here, right digit, and left digit will move on the left number. 3 and 1 4 and 1 5, 2 and 1 3. So total minutes for both days 350 minutes. Okay students, so this is our answer, 350 minutes. So I hope you understand both of these word problem. If you feel any problem related to these questions, you can tell me in the comment box. Take care.